Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about functions in Qt. So let me first create this simple example to explain you the functions in the Qt. So there is no much difference in the functions in the Qt in compared to C++. So let me first create the simple uh, Q core application. Okay, so here we need int main. Mm, okay, so here we need code application a this thing, and where we need to pass the thing. Okay, so this is the simple simple program q program. So let me first create the function here. So what we can do, let's create the function hello. And okay, so which will just print the hello world. And here we need the loop. So I'm going to create a loop here which will print this hello world repeatedly. Let's say hello, and this will print the number of time it will print. Let's say this thing. So this is the simple example for the function. Here is the function that I have created, and this is where I have used. So let me first give it a build. Now run this thing. Hmm. Okay, so it is now running, as you can see. So this is the simple example that I have created the function here, and you can create multiple function here. And so that's all. Thank you for watching.